everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of maintaining your vintage typewriter by learning how to replace the typewriter's ribbon. It's a simple process that can breathe new life into your writing companion. To begin, gently open the hood. Underneath the hood, you will find two spools around which the ribbon is wrapped. To change the ribbon, follow these steps.
Gently push the lever and lift the spool upwards.
Carefully remove the existing ribbon from the spools. Place the new ribbon spool into one of the slots and thread the ribbon through the designated openings. As you thread the ribbon, ensure you reach the other end. Create a slight opening in the ribbon. Allow it to secure itself with the spool as you wrap the ribbon around it. Reattach the spool and close the hood. With these steps completed, your typewriter is now ready to use. Enjoy the satisfaction of typing once again.